Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing this high pressure crossover. This is for 94 to 97 7.3 liter Powerstrokes. First impression, this thing is well built. I mean, this thing is sturdy. The pictures definitely don't do it justice. I measured it. I think it's about a 1/2 inch outer diameter. Yeah, right around there. So far I'm impressed. All this looks pretty good. I'm probably gonna replace those with green O-rings. This goes right under here, underneath this plenum. I think it's gonna be from that bolt to one under there. Let me taking all this apart real quick and cleaning it out. Make sure everything's good. And then I'll post some video of the install. So this is supposed to help your idle not be so rough. It's gonna smooth it out, and supposedly it's gonna quiet the engine noise down a little bit by helping the oil get from one side of the engine to the other side pretty easily. I already took video of how the truck ran before. This truck's in pretty good shape, so it still was a little bit choppy at idle, but after the install, I think I saw somebody say they ran for about 25 miles before they took an after video. But thanks to the magic of video editing, you guys are going to see a side-by-side video of the truck before the high pressure crossover and after. So after you remove the plenum, clean everything up. Might want to cover these if you want to, I don't want to. And put a 5/8 on this nut right there. And then I just assumed that was going to be 5/8 too. So right here you're going to have to get a bar or something just to push it down very gently. Don't apply too much pressure to that oil line. And then just hand tighten that. You're gonna have to bend it just a little bit and get that guy on there. Just hand tighten for now. Clean up this oil because oil will come out of these. Clean that up before you tighten it down and put everything back together. That one right there is a doozy with the braided steel line. All right, I've got everything put back together. Now we're gonna turn her over, watch for any leaks. Go ahead.